Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to you all in the third day of our most influential point workshop. Today we'll be discussing more 6 points, most important points today, which are from MIP 13 to MIP 18. Let us start with today's video. So MIP 13, the location of MIP 13, okay? If we see the center of our chest, okay? From that, if you put 4 fingers down, okay, that 4 fingers are our point, okay, that are our point, okay. You can see in the photo, just exactly in the center of our chest, if we put 4 fingers like this from the chest till down, okay, from the center of our chest till down, if we put our 4 fingers like this, then this will be our acupressure point, okay. The 4 fingers are the line forming is the our acupressure point. We'll press this point from up to down, okay. We'll not come backwards, we'll always press it from up to down. This point is the most important point for all circulatory as well as respiratory issues. Okay, so if you are having any kind of circulatory problem, like blood circulation is not fine in your body, then you can press this point. Or if you are having any kind of respiratory problem, then also you can use this point. Respiratory, as in if you are having cough and cold problem, if you are having sneezing problem, if you are having asthma, you are having allergic asthma, or if you are having bronchitis problem, then you can use this point, okay. Or if you are having difficulty in breathing or while any such kind of problem, you can use this point. And in circulatory, if you are having high BP problem or low BP problem, okay, or if you are having lack of circulation of blood to your brain, or in any kind of your body parts because of which you are having numbness problem, or if you are feeling lazy or sleepy very easily, okay, like while doing work you always need coffee or tea to stimulate yourself, to stimulate your mind, that also means that you are like circulation problem is there in your body, then also you can use this point. This point will be very helpful in that situation. If you are having difficulty while breathing, then also you can use this point. And this point also helps to like send oxygen to our brain, okay. If your food is stuck in your esophagus, okay, or the food is not going downwards towards your stomach, if you're having that problem, then you can use this point. If you're having any kind of chest problem, then also you can use this point. This point, if you do while half an hour before eating, then it will be a very good thing, as it is very helpful in digestion, okay. And if not before half an hour, if you are not able to do it, then do this point 2 hours after your food, okay. And this point is very helpful for all kind of digestive related problems. Upper digestive tract, if you are having any kind of upper digestive tract disorders, then also you can use this point. Like if you are having acid reflux, if you are having problem of hiccups, okay, which is also called as hichki in Hindi, if you are having that problem, then you can use this point. Abdomen area, if you are having any kind of like food stuck in your abdomen kind of feeling, if you are getting, then you can use this point. It increases our immunity, it boosts our immunity, it makes our heart and lungs strong. Okay, talking about one more important thing which I would like to share you all is these points. If you are doing, you should not do like just after eating your meals. You should not do all these points, okay, not only this specific this one, but all these points you should not do just after having your food. Like at least keep a gap of an hour or half an hour or something, and then do these points, okay. And females during pregnancy, please do not use any acupressure point without a proper guidance from an acupressurist or a therapist, okay. Like he or she who knows acupressure properly, then only you should do some points, okay. Because all these points, many of them are like that should not be used on a pregnant woman. So basically you should not use any acupressure point on your own if you are pregnant. If you are pregnant, then you should not use any of these points, okay. Yeah, if you are taking some guidance, or if you are asking some person like he is a therapist, he is a proper practitioner, then he or she will be knowing, you can ask them, or you can just come to us, you can ask like we can use this point during pregnancy or no, okay, like that. Please do not use on your own. any kind of acupressure points, we'll suggest that you should not use only during pregnancy, any acupressure points, okay? Please do keep it in mind. So this was MIP 13. Let us discuss about MIP 14 point. So MIP 14, the location of MIP 14. Just at the end of our brain, okay, at the end of our skull area, okay, if you put two fingers above it, in the middle, exactly in the center, if you put two fingers, then that will be our point, okay, at the end of our skull, like our occipital area, our occipital brain where ends, okay. If you put two fingers just exactly in the center, then that will be our acupressure point. You can see the photo, okay. So this is our acupressure point. Let us discuss the benefits of the point. It helps to remove vat from our body while traveling or during traveling. If someone has problem like the air is going into their ears, or because of which they feel headache, okay, like they have they have kept their windows down and the air is very flowy, there is very fast wind going on, okay, and the air gets into their ear, and because of that, if they are having a headache, then this point is very useful for them in that situation. If someone is having fever, with that they are having headache, then also you can use this point. Because of cold, if someone's neck is stiff, then also you can use this point. This point is the best point if someone is having any kind of head related issues, okay. If you are having any kind of head related issues, then you can use this point. Like if you are having tension, stress, anxiety, depression, insomnia, even if someone is having suicidal thoughts, okay, then also you can use this point. Like anyone is having suicidal thoughts, always negative, he or she is always feeling negative in such kind of thing, then you can use this point. If someone is deaf or if someone is mute, in that situation also you can use this point to them, okay. If someone is having weak communication, if they have problem while communicating with people, or if they are having problem like they are not showing proper expressions while talking, okay, or while communicating, their expressions are not that good, or if they are like not expressing properly things, then you can use this point. It makes a person a good listener, okay. It makes a person a good listener. If someone has sudden deafness, or if someone is suddenly their voice is gone and they have become mute, then this point is very helpful in that situation. In like example, like if someone is having paralysis and because of their voice is gone, so in that situation also this point is helpful for them, okay. So this was MIP 14. Let us now discuss about MIP 15. MIP 15, okay. So like if you put both your thumbs like this in the end, okay, so this just below the occipital, just on the occipital line, okay, where our occipital ends, on both the sides of the skull is our point, like this over here, okay. You can see the photo properly over here. You can press it in this way if you keep your fingers up properly, and with the thumb you can give pressure on this point. I hope you do remember how you will press this point. So you are having any kind of issues, you will press any point, okay, like you will press them 1 minute 2 to 3 times a day, okay. And if you are not having any kind of problem, then what you will do, you will just press, release, press and release, press, hold, release. In that situation, actually you'll do it for 8 to 10 times, not more than that, okay. So MIP 15, the location is very clear. Let us check about the uses or benefits of this point. This point helps to regulate our blood pressure. If someone is having high blood pressure, then it will help to reduce it. If someone is having neck stiffness problem, or if they are having pain in their neck, then they can use this point. This point is even useful if someone is feeling dizziness, may it be because of high blood pressure or low blood pressure, any condition. If someone is having problem like they are fainting, they are having dizziness problem, then you can use this point. It helps to remove vat from our head area. If you do MIP 15 and MIP 14 daily together, then it will help to remove toxins from our brain, and it will also help us to protect from any kind of brain disorders. So do these 2 points together daily. This point helps to improve our four what we can say senses. We actually have five senses, right? But this point will help to improve our four senses, which are that is our ears to listen. Okay, they increase that, like they increase the what we can say functioning, they improve their functioning. Okay, tongue to taste food, eyes to watch, okay, nose to smell. This four senses, it will improve or enhance them. Okay, doing this point will improve or enhance them. If someone is feeling heaviness in their head, okay, like that problem, then this point will help to release that heaviness or to calm them. It helps to release depression. It also makes your brain fresh, calm. Okay, it clears our brain, it increases our energy, and it makes our brain fresh. It like charges our brain. So this was MIP 15. Let us know about MIP 16 now. So this MIP 16. So just below our ear, over here, you can see this is our point. Okay, just below our ear is this point. This point is on both these sides. Okay, so talking about the uses of this point, MIP 16. So the uses are, this point is improves our five senses, it nourishes them, it makes them strong, and it also looks after their proper functioning. Okay, this point is a drainage point for our brain toxins. Okay, many people this point is also good if you want to release or drain your vagus nerve. Okay, this point makes you feel like at peace within yourself. Okay, this point is also called as door to heaven, as it increases or awakens our spirituality. Okay, or gives a spiritual awakening. If you can use this point if you want to prevent yourself from paralysis. If someone is having mental exhaustion problem, then also you can use this point. So this was MIP 16. Let us now discuss about MIP 17. This point is located, see, this is our navel joint, just 2 fingers below, like 2 fingers away from the navel joint. This point is located on both these sides. Okay, this is our navel joint, 2 fingers besides the navel joint or away from the navel joint are this point. Okay, you can press this point while you are sleeping, while you are sitting, while you are standing. Okay, you can use this point anyhow you want. After 2 hours of food, if you are having you are doing this point, then it will be a very good point. This is a best point for our digestive system. If you are having any kind of digestive issues, you can use this point. If you are having indigestion problem, weak digestion problem, then also you can use this point. Best point, it is also called as to increase our metabolic activity. This point helps to increase our metabolic activity. If you are feeling constipated, if you are having diarrhea problem, or if you are feeling bloating, okay, then you can use this point. You are having IBS, IBD, okay, you can use this point. You are feeling less hungry, and because of eating less, if your stool is hard, then also you can use this point. If you are feeling indigestion and weakness, then also you can use this point. If in your stool there is an amount of mucus, you feel like mucus is coming in your stool, okay, then you can use this point. If some in ladies, if they are having irregular periods, or they are having PMS, premenstrual pain, or during menstrual if they are having pain, then also they can use this point. If they are having clots during period, they feel like they are having clots in their periods, jelly like clots, then they can use this point. If they are having white discharge problem, or in any female or male, they are having problem of the kidneys or uterus, okay, creatinine is high, or blood urea is high, then they can use this point. And if our digestion is improved, then the quality of our blood will also improve. Okay, and all the organs will get good healthy blood. So do use this point to improve your blood levels also. Okay, so this was MIP 17. Let us now discuss about MIP 18. So our MIP 18, on the top of our head, exactly in the center is this point. Okay, on the top of our head, exactly in the center is this point. This point is also called as a master point, as this point, what we can say, it is more than 100 diseases it can solve. Okay, it can solve more than 100 diseases. Many acupressurists use this point. Acupressurists, acupuncturists, or any person who is having knowledge of this points, they use this point for all kind of issues. Okay, if you are having any kind of issue with your body, you can just press this point and you will feel better. Okay, this point increases our spirituality. It gives a spiritual awakening. If any organ comes out, or if your mass is coming out from anywhere, okay, like fat coming out, stretching out, okay, like what we can say, if someone is having a problem of hernia, okay, so that exactly what is happening, the intestines, suppose it is having, someone is having hernia intestines, the intestines are coming out, right, they are coming out of their shape, then that in that situation you can use this point. It makes our spine strong, it makes our brain creative. If someone is having problem of prolapse of uterus, prolapse, okay, in females if they are having, or if someone is having varicose veins, piles, double chin problem, in all that situation the thing is like coming out, extra thing is there, right, so it will help to remove all that things. It gives energy to our brain cells. This point solves any kind of brain disorder. So if you are having headache, if you are like paralysis problem, if you are having Parkinson's, then do treat this point. This point is also used to have prevention from any kind of brain related disorders. So this was MIP 18. So we have learned more 6 points today. So that's all for the day. I hope you are enjoying this videos. Please let us know if you are enjoying it. And if you are liking this videos, then please do like and share them. Okay? And please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much everyone.